So today we will go to see actions. Generally, what do you mean by action? Action means some task to be done is called as action. But coming to our movie terminology, something like action will be done by the actor and the script will be written by the director, yes or no? Whenever the director is saying action, then only the artist is performing his action, yes or no? So something like that, here in our Tableau also, script will be in one sheet, and if you are saying action in this sheet, the action to be performed in some other sheet. That type of relation will be established by using action. That means simply we can say establishing the relation between two individual sheets is called as action, right? So by using action you can maintain some relation between two sheets. Something will be there in the first sheet. If you are performing some task in the first sheet, the second sheet will be affected. How to implement this one means by using actions. Got it? So for that one, let me take one example. Suppose in my sheet 1 I am having a continent wise sale, and in sheet 2 I am having a continent wise country wise sale. Now in the sheet 1 if I am clicking on Asia, automatically sheet 2 must open and that sheet 2 must contain only Asian countries. First what I told you, in the first sheets are continent wise sale, all the continent sale will be there. And in the second sheet, continent wise, country wise sale. So 50 countries sale report will be there. Now in the sheet 1, if you select any one country, sorry, any one continent, suppose you are clicking on Europe continent, in the second sheet, you have to get only European countries, not all the countries. So to do these things, you must have to maintain some relation between first sheet and second sheet, as or no. So for that one, you must have to go for action, right? So first we will see types of actions. So there are three types of actions. First action is a filter action, and second one is a highlight action, and the third one is a URL action. Sir, filter action in the sense, in that action filtering will be done, sir. The name itself it is saying filter action. That means in that action filtering will be done. Sir, I have told you one example right now. Is that filter action or not? Sir, among all the countries, just you are getting only Asian countries. That means what? You are filtering your data. That is a filter action, right? And what do you mean by highlight action? Highlighting means what? What is the difference between filter and highlight? Suppose among you all, I am picking one person and I am sending all of you. That is called filtering. Suppose that among you all, just I am asking him to stand up and I am praising him. You will be there only, but I am concentrating on him only. That is called highlighting. Sir, if I am sending out and then I am praising him, is there any use? Is that called as any highlighting? No. Before everyone, if I am praising him, that is called making highlight. right? So remaining people also will be there, but I am concentrating on one person. This is called highlighting, right? So now in the same example, continent wise sale and country wise sale, no? Suppose if I am clicking on Asia, so here I will have all the countries, but only Asian countries will be highlighted. Got it? That is highlight action. That means one action that is helpful to highlight something in the visualization, yes or no? Right. And coming to URL action. What do you mean by URL, sir? Link, web link. URL stands for what? Hmm? Resource locator. Right? So, what is that URL action? Let us see practically, sir. What is a filter? How to implement this filter? Okay. Go to Tableau. Connect with our data. So suppose in the first sheet I am going with continent wise sale. Yes. And in the second sheet I am going with continent wise, country wise sale. So in each and every continent country wise sale I am getting, sir. Yes or no? Right. Now my motto is, if I click on any continent here, automatically second sheet must open, and in that second sheet I want to get only Asia country details. Got it? First, did you understand my motto?
Yes.
Right? So in the first sheet, sir, if I select any continent, in the second sheet only that continent countries will be displayed, and remaining thing I don't want to see. So this is called filtering. Right? Suppose if you say like this, show filter, if you are saying Asia, yes, Asia countries you are getting. So this is within that sheet only. I don't want to get like that. My action will be in the sheet 1. If I select here, that thing happen in the second sheet. Got it or not? Now,
Like creating a hyperlink with the
yes.
sheet one.
Now, how to implement this one? So now please tell me here in these two sheets, what is the source sheet and what is the target sheet? Please tell me. So this is a source sheet and this is target sheet, yes or no? That means in our movie language, this is director, this is actor, yes or no? Script will be in the sheet 1 and the action will be performed on a sheet 2. Right? So for that one, you have to write action where, sir? Sheet 1. Script will be at sheet 1 only. Okay. Go to worksheet. So here you are having one option, actions. Because you have to give action in the sheet only, right? So go for worksheet, go for action. Yes. Sir, is there any action right now here? No. Now what you have to do? Add action. Now it will ask, sir, which type of action you want to perform? Sir, that knowledge you must have first. What you are going to get, sir, now? I want to get a filter action. Why? Because in the second sheet I don't want anything else. I want only the selected continent countries. So this is nothing but filter. The common sense you must have first. Right? Okay. Let us go with one by one, sir. First I will go with filter action. So this is called action window. Right? So by default it is giving filter name, sir. Sorry, action name. Filter 1 it is giving. You can change. I am changing this. continent to country. Now observe here, it is giving source sheet and target sheet. Sir, already I asked you, what is the source sheet, sir? Sheet 1. So here, uncheck sheet 2. Yes. What is the target, sir? So select sheet 2 here. Now, see sir here, run action on 3 options are there. Hover, select, menu. Sir, what do you mean by hover? You are moving your mouse cursor now, like this. Mouse pointer is moving now. This is called hover, sir. Just moving your cursor is called as hover. And select in the sense click, sir. Menu in the sense right click. Right? So, first let us go one by one, sir. Hover. Click on OK. Now click on OK. So see, here I am hovering my mouse. Anything is happening? If you hover your mouse pointer to any one of continent, see what happens. Suppose I am hovering, sir. Just I am not clicking at all. Just I am passing my mouse pointer here. See what happens, sir. I went for North America. That's why it is displaying North America space. And sir, automatically sheet 2 opens, sir. Sir, no. So that is the use of action. Suppose let's go here. Sir, now, here it is not working. Try to hover your mouse pointer to Asia. Yes, see. It is displaying Asia countries there. Sir, it is somewhat difficult to carry the hover, yes or no? Sometimes by mistake also you can do like this. That's why it is always better to go with select, sir. But 3 options are there, that's why I am saying. But it is always better to go with select. Let us edit this action going with select. Go to worksheet. Go to actions. Select this one. Go for edit, sir. Sir, hover is selected now. Let me go with select. Click on OK. Click on OK. Come here. So now hover. It's not working, sir. If you click on Europe or any continent, see what happens. So when I click only, it is happening. Clear? So now, if you click Asia, see automatically it is coming Asia countries. So this is about filter action. And one more option is there to run on menu. Right? So let us go with that thing also once. Let us see all the options once, so that you will get some idea. Edit. Menu, sir. Click on OK. Click on OK. So, hover not working. If you click also, see what is happening, sir. Sir, it is asking. Go with this filter. Action. If you click here, then only it will done, sir. Something like right click to select again. Sir, no. Sir, why we have to go for this menu? Select is well and good now. That means, yes, you are a little bit closer. So, sometimes I want to perform more than one action on one sheet. To select which action to be done, This menu will be helpful, sir. Suppose, sir, general example, if your father is having only one son, if I am saying to your son, please call your son, then directly he will call you. Sir, no. Suppose your father is having two sons, sir. Now I am calling, please call your son. Then your father will ask you, which son? Elder son or younger son? Sir, no. The same thing here.
So we can apply multiple actions on.
Yes. Let us see now that thing. What is the use of menu? We will see right now. Right? So, in this sheet only, I want to implement highlight action also. Why not? I can do it. Filter action we have seen, so with three options. Now let us go with highlight action on this same sheet only. Right? Now go with worksheet, action. Sir, add action, sir. Highlight action, sir. Sir, here source is sheet 1. Target is sheet 2, sir. You know that thing. And let it be name will be highlight only. Okay. And I want to go with menu, sir. Sir, it is always better to go with the menu when you are going to maintain more than one action on the sheet. Please remember that thing. It is the best practice. If you are going with more than one action on one particular sheet, please go with the menu. Already I told you what is the use of menu. If you click on that one, it will ask you, hey boss, which action must be performed? Action 1 or action 2 or action 3? Please tell me. Then only it will be do. Sir, no. So, for that one I am going with sir, menu only. Click on OK. Click on OK. Now see sir, hover is working now? No. Just click sir. Sir, it is asking. Two actions are there was. Which action I have to go for? Okay, I want to go with filter action. Sir, filter action is doing. No problem at all. Okay, let us go with highlight action. See what happens. Anything happened here? So, in the highlight action, sir, it will not be redirected to the target sheet directly. You have to manually go and search. Now go to sheet 2, sir. Yes, see. So only Asia is highlighting, yes or no? Remaining all are disabled. Are you finding? Now go with here. Go with Europe. Click on highlight. Sir, actually, it will not be redirected, sir. You have to manually go and check. Go to sheet 2. See, sir. All are disabled. Only Europe is highlighted. This is the use of highlight action. And this is the use of menu run on action. If you go with more than one action, it is always better to go with the menu. Clear?
And here we have removed the filter.
Yeah, actually, in the first only that action is enabled here now. That action is working here. That's why I have removed. Right? So, this is the way how to perform action, filter action and highlight action. So, every time I have to check this sheet 2 now. What is the use of this thing then? Sir, this concept will be helpful when you are going for the dashboard, sir. In the dashboard, you can place more than 2 or 3 sheets, sir, in one dashboard. So, actually, we are going to discuss about dashboards in the end of our course, sir. But let me show one simple dashboard now to see the advantage of this highlight action. Right? Now let me create a dashboard. Sir, here two sheets I have created now. That's why it is showing these two sheets only. Suppose you are having 100 sheets, it will show 100 sheets here. Okay. Let me take sheet 1 here. And let me take sheet 2 here.
How many sheets can we take in a workbook? I mean, in a dashboard.
In a dashboard, no? That is based on requirements. Mostly we go with 6 or 8. That's it. You can go with 100 sheets also, one dashboard, but it will be clumsy.
How many workbooks?
Workbooks in a sense?
I mean, no, nothing.
Okay. So see here, like this a dashboard is there, sir. In dashboard, 2 sheets I have maintained, right? So continent wise sale and a country wise sale. Now click on Asia, sir. If you go with like this, yes, it is giving. But where is my highlight action, sir? It is not displaying here. Generally, the highlight action will be given at a dashboard level, sir. So go with dashboard, go with action. Let me remove this action from here. Add action, highlight action. My source is sheet 1, target is sheet 2, and I am going with the select. Only one action I am showing. Click on OK. Click on OK. Now see, sir. Click on Asia now. So Asia is highlighting. You are seeing here or not? Click on South America. Yes, South America is highlighting. Click on Europe. Yes, Europe is highlighted. Click on Africa. Only Africa is highlighted. Clear? This is the use of highlight action, sir. To show this thing only, I have used dashboard here. Don't think about dashboard right now. We will have minimum 2-3 classes for dashboards. Types of dashboards will be there. This is called normal dashboard. We will have master detail dashboard, action dashboard, indexed dashboard, hiding dashboard, like that so many. We will see that thing later. Okay, so this is about highlight action and filter action. Is it clear? Right? Now, write down one task for your.
So in real time, we'll create dashboards.
Yeah, creating worksheet is not at all completed your role. So, right? So you have to place these worksheets in a beautiful manner. That is called dashboard.
Dashboard is what we send it to the client.
Yes. Generally, sir, you will cook your curry in one kadai. Yes or no? While you serve also with kadai only you serve? No. You will garnish that thing into a beautiful plate or something like bowls like that. Na? And that is nothing but creating a dashboard. అలానే వేసేస్తే ఆ కళాయి తీసుకొచ్చి అలా వడ్డిస్తున్నాం అనుకోండి తినేవాడు ఇలా వస్తా ఉంటాడు చిరాగ్గా రైట్ సో దట్ ఈస్ నథింగ్ బట్ డాష్బోర్డ్ రైట్ నౌ we will discuss about that thing. We are still now in the cooking only. Up to end of this month also, we will be in cooking only. After that, we will start actual garnishing. Right? వంట ఎలా ఉన్నా పర్లేదు సార్ గార్నిష్ బాగుంటే yes. Okay, so now let us go with URL action. So yeah, task I have to explain now, right? So find item wise sale report. Find item wise sale report in the selected category of a selected department using actions. Sir, here how many actions you want to give?
The selected
Category of a selected department. To serve from department to category you have to write to one action. From category to item one more action. 3 sheets you must need here. Sir, this procedure is known as generally drill down.
find the item wise sale report, the selected category of selected
Department. This is called generally, sir, drilling down. Just breaking the hierarchies is called drill down. From top level hierarchy to bottom level hierarchy you are getting department, category and item. Clear? Now let us go with URL action. What do you mean by URL, sir? Uniform Resource Locator. So URL in the sense of that is a web link generally, yes or no? Right? Suppose whenever you want to make some interaction between your Tableau worksheet with a web page, you have to go with URL action, sir. Got it clearly what I am saying? Whenever you want to link your Tableau visualization with the web page, you have to go with URL action. That means, sir, if I click on something in my visualization, one web page must be open, sir. Right? So for that one, let me consider one example, sir. That example is, I am having country-wise sale reports, sir, or some countries I am having in my visualization. If I click on one country, sir, that corresponding Wikipedia page must be open, sir, in the browser. Got it? If I click on India, the Wikipedia page of India must be open, sir. How to do it? Let us see. So let me take
somewhat like when you are taking, you want to open any page, right click, open as a web page. Is the same?
You no need to say like that. Just you are clicking, the web page will be open. Suppose, ma'am, you want to get information of that particular thing in the web. Then you no need to open web page separately and typing searching for that particular thing. Just if you click here, automatically it will open and it will give the result for you. How to achieve that thing? Suppose, sir, here I am taking a map. Right? Now, sir, if I click on India, automatically my browser must be open, and in that browser it has to take the URL of Wikipedia, and it has to search for India, and it has to display the result. That much thing must be happen. How to implement this thing? For that one we are having a URL action. Let us see now how it will be. Yes. Go to worksheet. Go to action. Add action. Sir, which action, sir? URL action. So, my source will be sheet 3, sir. So, for this target will be there now. So, target will be web page, yes or no? So, target will not be available in the Tableau. Clear? So, that's why it is not asking target here. Got it? My target is web page. So, this is my target. Now it is asking for URL. Sir, from where you will get the URL? Go to your browser.
That will look similar to our web page container. Dashboard looks like almost the same.
And in OVA also catalogs will be there. Dashboards and catalogs. They also look same.
We have sheets and dashboard.
Dashboard. And then story also we have.
Storyboard.
So here you can view that India's Wikipedia page, right? Right? Now copy this URL, sir. Control C and paste it here in the URL. Now, sir, let me close this thing. Let me close my browser. Yes. Sir, click on OK. You have specified your source and you have specified your URL and select option. I am selecting. Click on OK. Click on OK. Now please select India, sir. Sir, automatically it is opening browser. See what it is doing. Wikipedia and then it is taking India also. Sir, no. Automatically it has done. So this is called URL action. Clear? Now, let me close this thing. So let me click on Pakistan. See what happens. What I have to get, sir? Actually, Pakistan's wiki page we have to get, right? Sir, it is getting India only. Upkuntara? Right. So, sir, even though Pakistan is part of India some 80 years back, but you can't say like that, right? So now what I have to get, sir? I have to get Pakistan for Pakistan, China for China, Brazil for Brazil, whatever it may be. How I have to give that, sir? That many actions I have to write, huh? 50 countries are there, 50 actions I have to write, huh? It is impossible, sir. For that one, you are having one option here. Action. Edit action. Sir, see here. If India is there, India page is opening there. If Pakistan will be there, Pakistan will be opened there. If Brazil is there, Brazil will be opened there. So, in the place of this India, what I have to get, sir? The clicked country name, yes or no? So, these names are under which field, sir? Country by region field, yes or no? These country names are in which field, sir? Country by region field now. So, now, in the place of this India, I will give this field name, sir. From here, select the field. Yeah, country region field. From here, you can add any field. But for my example, I need which field, sir? Country region field, right? Yes, select country region. Once enough. Sir, now, if I click on Australia, sir, www.wikipedia.org/wiki by Australia it will get. If you click on any other country, Korea, so Wikipedia/Korea you will get. Which country you are selecting, that country name will be placed here in the country region form. Clear? Now click on OK. Now click on OK. Now go with this thing, sir, Brazil. See what happens. So see, Wiki Brazil it is taking. Yes, Brazil's Wikipedia page is opening. Suppose, let me go with summation, China. So Wikipedia page of China will be opened right now. So what exactly the country you want to get, you will get in the URL action by placing the country by region field name instead of one particular country. Yes, China Republic. Right? So, sir, in real time, how it will be helpful for us? Suppose, sir, we are having 1263 items, sir, no? You don't know about that item. Suppose, sir, in Flipkart, sir, some item image will be there. If you click on that image, the details of that particular product will be displayed, yes or no? Whatever it may be. Right? So, sir, that is an URL action. So now if you want to give some details from the web, you can go with the URL action, sir. Got it? Suppose one particular item details, those item details will be in the website of that particular client, yes or no? I want to find Samsung Color TV details. From where exactly I will get, sir? From Samsung official website, yes or no? So I will give URL action for that product. Go for that particular URL and it will display. You don't need to come out from your Tableau visualization, sir. You can go like that. So for that purpose, this URL action will be used. Clear?
Yes.
Now, sir, every time from web only now, some file is there in my system only. I want to open that file when I click in my Tableau visualization. How it is possible?
We'll copy the address bar and paste it.
Yes. Sir, URL in the sense not only web link, sir. That is the address. That address may be local address. Right? So now let us go with how to implement that thing. So for that purpose, let me go with actions and let me rename this one as wiki, sir. This is wiki link, yes or no? So I am renaming this one as wiki link. And I am going with menu. Sir, on the same only I am going with one more action. Then that is better to take a menu. Already I told you. Click on OK. Click on OK. Now, sir, what is my task is, sir, if I click on any country here, I want to display the flag of that country. National flag of that country. So that I am having those country flags with me in my system only. So let me show you those flags. Sir, I am having some 4 flags. Sir. Clear? So, if I want to click on, if I click on India, I want to open a India flag. If I click on China, I want to open a China flag. If I click on Russia, I want to open Russia flag. From my local machine. How to do it? Now, go with Tableau, go with worksheet, action. Already wiki action is there. I want to go with one more action. URL only, this thing also. URL action. So, my source is sheet 3. And here I have to mention the URL. Sir, what is the URL, sir? Address of the particular file. Now go with copy this address and paste it here. Suppose, sir, if I am saying here India.jpg, because that is only the name here, yes or no? Same name, sir, PNG. Format also very much important, sir. India.png. Yes, come here and give the PNG. Now click on OK. And let me rename this one as flags. Click on OK. So now click on India. Sir, it is asking, boss, you want to go with flag or wiki? If you go with wiki, Wikipedia browser will be open and Wikipedia website will be open and India details will get. Suppose if you click on flag, see what happens. Sir, India flag is opening. Now, if you click on China, go with flag, what will open, sir? India flag only will open. For the
Suresh.
Go to
Hello,
worksheet,
Suresh.
action, flag, edit. Here in the place of India, you have to mention country by region again. Right? So now, country by region, .png must be there. But if you click on India, India.png will be there. Click on China, China.png will be there. If you click on Russia, Russia.png will be there. Clear? Now click on OK. Click on OK. So now click on India. Flag. Yes, India flag is opening. No doubt at all. Click on China. Go with flag. Yes, China flag is opening. And if you click on Russia flag, Russia flag is opening. Like this, sir, if you want to work for all the countries, you have to download all the flags and you have to name them as a same name with country and .png. Then it will work. Just to show you, I have downloaded only 4 flags now. Right? If you want to get all, sir, you have to download all the images. You have to save them with the name, the country. Same, sir. Your data source India is there now, you have to give India only. If the data source Russian Federation is there, you have to give Russian Federation only. Russia will not work for you. Got it? The data source Russian Federation is there, that's why I have given Russian Federation name as. If you are giving shortcut Russia, it won't work. Why? Because it will search. Okay, Russian Federation. Yes, it will throw.
Last.
50 countries are there, no 50 flags you have to download it. Clear? So like implement action. Clear?
Yes.
And tomorrow we will see about types of charts. So now we have seen so many types of charts, bar charts, bar charts, and maps, everything. Actually, Tableau is providing these 24 types of charts. Let us see these 24 types of charts individually. What exactly used for this situation? Clear? So what is this chart, this chart, this chart? All these are 24 types of charts that are by default provided by Tableau. Yes.
Completely different object.
And other than this, some advanced charts are also there. We will discuss them as cost. Maximum that will be the last class of our session. Yes. Okay. So, is there any doubt in discussion? What is action? Why we have to go for action? What are the types of actions? Filter action, highlight action, URL action, and in how many ways we can perform the action in 3 ways. Run on over, run on select, run on menu. Mostly we don't go for over. Why? Because it will be confusing. Mostly you go with select if there is only one action on the sheet. Suppose they are having more than one action on one particular sheet, it's better go with the menu option.
What happens if multiple actions?
Right, yourself. First action will be performed automatically. Right? First action what we have declared, that action will be done. But is that right practice? Is not the better practice. Don't go like that. No, going with the 2 or more actions on one particular sheet, it is better to go with the menu. Clear? So this is all about actions. Tomorrow we will see the types of actions. Clear? So types of parts. Okay.